Hi friends, this video clip will give information on textile design, satin fabric, how the satin design is created in the loom, that is drafting and lifting and movement of the warp and weft. Please see. See, satin is one of the most important textile weave. It gives shiny to the cloth. Okay, then this fabric is used especially for the silk fabrics and polyester fabrics. These are the designs available, normal designs in the market. No trend is there. Okay, I'll come back with the other textile designs. Thank you.